What if a full desktop experience could fit behind your monitor without taking up an inch of your desk? Today, we're diving into Acer's brand new Chromebox Mini CXM2, a device so compact it challenges everything you thought about workspace setups. And by the end of this video, you'll see why it might just be the smartest addition to your office this year. Unveiled at IFA 2025, the Chromebox Mini CXM2 is Acer's latest ultra-compact ChromeOS device. Designed for both standard users and enterprises, it's meant to deliver maximum performance in minimal space. You have two setup options: mount it behind your monitor with a VESA kit for a completely clean look, or keep it freestanding with a Kensington lock for extra security. Under the hood, it comes in three processor variants: the Intel Core 3 N350, Intel N250, and Intel N150. Pair that with up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and 128 gigabytes of eMMC storage. And for those needing more, there's even an M.2 expansion slot. When it comes to ports and connectivity, Acer hasn't held back. On the front, there are three USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports for quick access. Flip to the back, and you'll find two HDMI 2.1 ports, two more USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C port, an Ethernet port, Wi-Fi 6E, and a standard audio jack. That's practically every connection you might need, all packed into a device the size of a small book. So why does the Chromebox Mini CXM2 matter? Because it's not just another mini PC, it's a workspace revolution. Whether you're a home office warrior, a classroom, or a business looking to streamline hardware, this little device packs a big punch. The Acer Chromebox Mini CXM2 hits shelves this September, starting at €229 for the standard version and €299 for enterprise users. If you're looking to save desk space without sacrificing performance, this could be the gadget that changes your setup entirely. Curious to see how it performs in real life? Hit the like button and subscribe, because our full hands-on review is coming soon.